Canavan. I just received a brilliant Irish charity calendar in the post today, and I'm so happy to endorse and support it, and hopefully you will do the same. The calendar itself, first class, contains some brilliant, stunning and striking images, the length and breadth of Ireland. It has been prepared by 3 fluent Irish speakers of some renown: Eamon Coyle, Raymond O'Curran and Darren McKee. And not only does it have brilliant images of Ireland for the American contributors, they also have included a couple of brilliant ones from New York as well. If I was to pick out one myself, well, it's got to be the mountain that was named after my own club, Errigal, in County Donegal. But folks, on a serious note, please try and support it as best you can. I know the charity calendar last year raised £12,000 for charity. So this year all donations will be going to the Father Peter McVerry Trust. So that needs no introduction in terms of the work Father Peter McVerry has undertaken in recent years. So not only are you going to benefit from taking time and going through this brilliant calendar, but you're going to provide so much comfort and support for so many homeless throughout the country. So if you can, please purchase, and thank you very much.